No, good morning. Uh, this is in relation to your quiz that I have sent to you through the messenger. Dapat na may answer ato kay possibly some of these questions will be asked again in your final. So, the first question was, what should a domestic company do to start finding a foreign market? So, nag-research ko ani, nakita na ko nga, usagin in demand, sa diyan. You have to conduct a comprehensive research on the demand. And then you try to check, how competitive is the market. And then what are the rules of the game? Panaunin mo ang rules sa market. Usually, ang gahatag sa mga rules mo ng DTI, ang gobyerno, etc. And then makes use of digital platforms. Kung tanaw ka sa mga digital world, kita nimo ang interconnection of buyers and sellers. Makita nimo na sa Alibaba, Amazon.com, Etsy. Makita nimo na sila dito, no? Makita nimo na sa mga digital platforms. Yun sa locate sa seller, adapit na country, yun sa pag-locate ang mga buyers. Okay? So, makita na, make use of global accessibility to sellers as well as the buyers. Now, I think, number 2, is what I want you to distinguish is investment and trading. Strictly speaking, government good na sa gobyerno ang investment. Usually, it's a long-term approach to building a wealth eventually in the future. While on trading is more on short-term fluctuation of the market, no? Short-term ni siya, market movements. In other words, ang trading is very much affected with the short run, dili long run. So whenever a country engage in international trade, mahulog yun sa investment. Kung tawagin mo ng investment code na ng mga investment code. Take note ka itong WTO sa una, mga multilateral, bilateral agreement, kasagaragin na investment, dili trading. So there is a big difference between investment and trading. Usually when we talk about investment, we are referring to those that are governed by investment code. While trading, may sakasa na everyday. Okay? And then, what are the most common type of market in the world today? Pinaka-common yun is a oligopoly. No? Like petroleum in Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, or Bahrain. Mga petroleum countries man na siya. Including Russia. No? Russia. And now, Philippines is a very fortunate country because we have na-develop karon na-discover nga dili lang sa natural gas rich kayo din sa South China Sea. So much with the interest of China, no? Anong ilugon niyang South China Sea. We are also rich in rare earth. So in the future, wapong ikay ng Pilipinas. Karon petroleum Saudi Arabia, number 1 foremost ang Saudi. Then sa coffee, Colombia and Venezuela, technology, US, Germany, and possibly China. Then sa Chile and Zambia, kung sila, no? Marang ilan yung sila advantage sa ning copper, pharmaceuticals, Pepsi Cola, Coca-Cola. These are examples of oligopoly, no? While McDonald's, Nestle, Google, mga tobacco, no, products, bakery products, restaurants, these are examples of monopolistic. So in other words, ang common di kay nga kung kalibutan is oligopoly and monopolistic. Kamay ra ang lagi monopoly kay ngano man antitrust law na may balaod na against monopoly and pure competition. So, ang real lugar, oligopoly and monopolistic. Right? A pure competition is theoretically described as pure competition is theoretically described as sellers with standardized products. Now, what are the reasons for standardization? Number one is ma-facilitate ng trade, foster fair competition, booster efficiency, productivity, and safety, promote innovation, tackle global challenge of climate, dayon ensuring responsibility and sustainable practices and safer interconnected world, government and consumers. What benefits you can get from standardization? Of course, barato, because it costs savings, therefore it will drive lower cost per unit. It will enhance consumer satisfaction, diba? It will provide companies with greater access to market and increase market share and environmental benefits. And then, how to export, I guess another question is, how to export? Siguro, umungutan na mo sa pag-export, sa akong pag-research, tanawin mo ang i-register mo ang imong negosyo dito sa BOC or Bureau of Customs. After getting the client profile registration system, wato na kagitiay para makakuha kag permit, security and exchange commission, pero nabilong ang area nimo, ang location nabilong sa economic zone, mga kag permit sa PISA. And then prepare din kag mga documents, mga export documents like export declaration, commercial invoice, kanang mga draft, mga cheque, kinahanglanon na siya sa mga export. Dayon, in today's global economy, wala ginagahitabo ang comparative advantage. Consistent guys sa consistent sa oligopoly, kasagara gid is absolute advantage, except lang sa mga minor nga mga products like sana mga minor kasagara mga manufacturing companies nga dili tayo nag-require of greater economies of scale, dili na kinahanglan og greater capital. Okay, so that's all. I-review lang nimo tong balik to ang questionnaire.